the Honor robot phone might be one of the most unusual and innovative smartphones of 2026. Instead of using a normal fixed camera system, Honor has built a motorized robotic gimbal directly into the phone. The biggest highlight is its 4DoF titanium robotic gimbal system. The camera can physically move, rotate, tilt, and track a subject. It also uses 3-axis mechanical stabilization, making it especially interesting for vloggers, live streamers, and mobile filmmakers. Honor says the gimbal can reach a maximum movement speed of up to 360 degrees per second in robot mode. Camera hardware is equally impressive. The main camera is a 200-megapixel gimbal camera with a large 1/1.28-inch sensor, f1.6 aperture, OIS, and mechanical stabilization. There's also a 50-megapixel ultrawide camera and another 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 2.7x optical zoom. Honor has also partnered with ARRI to bring cinematic image science and professional-style video tools to the phone. The combination of mechanical stabilization and ARRI imaging could make this a particularly strong smartphone for cinematic video creation. Another unique feature is yo-yo robot mode. The phone can use its moving camera like a small robotic head, respond to gestures, follow people automatically, show expressive movements, and even move along with music. AI live tracking can keep a person in frame during live streams and video calls, while the camera agent is designed to help automate shooting, editing, and sharing. Some camera agent features are planned to arrive through software updates. Performance is flagship level 2. The robot phone uses the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and comes with a large 7060 mAh silicon carbon battery. It supports up to 120W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. The phone also features a 6.31-inch display with a claimed peak brightness of up to 6,800 nits. There are a few potential drawbacks. A mechanical camera system adds moving components, so long-term durability will be something worth watching. The phone is also relatively heavy at around 248 grams, and its premium pricing means it is definitely not aimed at budget buyers. In China, the 12GB RAM and 512GB storage model costs 9,999 renminbi, while the 16GB RAM and 1TB model costs 12,999 renminbi. Honor's launch announcement currently provides the confirmed sales schedule for China. A specific worldwide release price and date are not given in that announcement. Overall, the Honor robot phone isn't just another flagship with better cameras. Its built-in robotic gimbal changes how a smartphone camera can physically interact with its surroundings. For content creators, vloggers, and anyone interested in experimental mobile technology, this is easily one of the most interesting phones of 2026.